Time for more data collection. You've been collecting data on one of your own behaviors. For this fieldwork record, collect more data until you have a total of at least 6 data points. You may include data collected for previous fieldwork records as well. Be sure to upload a datasheet showing the data that you collected. Create a graph of those data as if they were your baseline data. Take a look back at the previous fieldwork record to review how to create a simple line graph. As always, be sure to remove borders from around the graph as well as the horizontal lines on the graph. Add X and Y axis labels, make all fonts Times New Roman, and change the data series to be in black and white. Then, draw a simple sketch of what you believe would be the most appropriate experimental design for the study of that behavior given your proposed independent variable. Remember, you proposed some potential IVs in a previous fieldwork record. Pick one of those based on feedback you received on that assignment. Your sketch should include X and Y axis labels and phase change lines and/or labels based on which design you select. Part of your grade will be based on whether your experimental design is appropriate for assessment of the effects of your IV on your DV. For example, would you alternate between two different conditions, perhaps between baseline and your independent variable or two different independent variables? Would you use a reversal design, only moving from baseline to intervention and back to baseline based on steady state responding? Would you use a changing criterion design, gradually changing the amount of the target behavior that must be emitted? There may be many appropriate options for your case.